Hey guys, welcome and thank you very much for joining me here on IPO Market Watch, where we cover not just IPOs but all the stocks trading on the stock market. So, cool video I think that I have right now. We're going to talk about Faraday future real quick, FFIE, how we could have known from 4 cents, guys. Could have easily. There were people in my Discord pushing for it, explaining, talking about it. I'm buying this and this and that. Yeah. What else? I still can't get over it. Over 8,000%. Like just a couple days ago, it hit like it broke all records. Right? Forget about GME. Forget about AMC. Forget about it. I mean, if FFIE was the greatest stock of 2024, I don't think there'll be another stock that will do the gains that it did. Right? So, but can we have, guys, another FFIE? I don't know, but can we get one that might actually do well? I think I got one. I got one for you guys. And now, as soon as I mention it, guys, don't go running off and buying it. You might want to listen to me as far as the entry, because not every entry is right. It doesn't have a good entry right now, but it has the potential of a short squeeze, I believe, a really good one when we get the right entry. Right, so I'll explain that. So first, let's go to FFIE. By the way, I'm also going to review an initial public offering, a new company, guys. Let's just look at it like that, because maybe some of you might find the word IPO boring. I can't stop yawning. It hurts. It's a new company that is going to go public on the market, that is going to do well. I think it's going to be a multi-bagger, if I pronounce that right. Yeah. So pay attention. So it's a good video. All right. So guys, I think FFIE stock had potential moving up. It's a risky play, but highly rewarding. Basically, this is a member of my Discord. And back on May 13, 2024, when Faraday Future was trading at just 4 cents, he was telling us in the Discord that it's got a lot of potential. Fine. Could have listened. I should have just listened and threw everything. My home, my car, everything. Anyways, yeah, you could have I'm not saying to do this. Don't ever do this at all, right? I'm just a made up joke. Let's just say, I could have on May 13th walk out and say to some guy, to somebody, whatever. You know what? My home is worth, I don't know. We'll just make up a number, $200,000, right? But I'll give it to you for $50,000. It's $200,000. 300,000, whatever. I'll give it to you for $50,000, and everybody would call you an idiot, a fool. They would buy it for sure, laugh and say, "I just got this great home for $50,000 from this idiot." But I would have taken that $50,000, threw it in FFIE, and I would have been the last one laughing. But that's just something that we can tell now. We couldn't have told then. Anyways, my opinion on FFIE, potential to go up 50 cents for max gain. It continues to go up. I'm happy with 20 cents said. He got in at 4 cents when he had said it. Little did he know, or anybody knew, that 20 cents or 50 cents would not have been the end. Is there something else? What did Faraday Future have that made it go up so much? Well, you know what? 2 years ago, I think it was the most 2 years ago, Palantir had invested in Faraday Future. Probably not a surprise, I guess, or you never know. Maybe we should chase those little penny stock investments that Palantir is making. Another penny stock investment that Palantir has made in this year is Surf Air Mobility, which is considered to be trash company, trash stock, just like Faraday Future was considered last year. But that's not the stock that I want to talk to you about real quick about as far as what the next stock is. By the way, Faraday Future, if you had thrown in $5,000 on May 13th when people were talking about it in my Discord. Let's just say if you did. I'm not saying you should. When it reached that 8,000%, according to this calculations, if I did it right, that $5,000, guys, would be worth $400,000. So if you want to join my Discord, it's called Bull Market Watch. The link will be in the comment section below, or below here on the screen. And you get also access to not just the general chat or investors. There's over 1,000 investors that you can chat with. You can also see what I buy and sell, but you also have tools, guys, which I emphasize is the most important reason why you should join the Discord, because you have over 20 different stunning, amazing tools, even AI. a bot command. But you have access to dark pool, you have access to unusual options, you have access to golden sweeps, and a lot more. So guys, Faraday future. One key thing to look at is that Faraday future had and still has a short interest percent float of 95.37%. It was actually 97% a couple of days ago. It's now it's 95. That's high. That's really high. Another stock that I found that has a very high short interest percent float is Global Gas, ticker symbol HGAS, right? This one also has the same similarities in that it has a 90.48% short interest percent float. But HGAS, guys, is trading at about $1.41 right now. And for me, personally speaking, that is not an entry. But I do have it on the top of my watch list, and I have alarms set for specific prices. And that is prices under $1. So if HGAS could please go all the way down to 4 cents, I'll be super happy. I would like it to crash, and if that happens and it crashes within the next 2 to 3 months and it goes down really deep, like 10 cents this year or whatever, and the short interest flow is still high, yeah, I'll buy then. So that's what I'm hoping for. We'll see. That's the stock I think that I'm going to keep an eye on, guys. Let me know in the comment section below. And with that, guys, let's move on to Bowhead Specialty Holdings Incorporation, ticker symbol BOW. And this company is going public, guys, and I think it's going to be a really, really good one. I think it's going to be similar to that of Hamilton Group Insurance, ticker symbol HG, which is doing very awesome so far. I like it since it's solid, right? It's not explosive as a stock, but it's a solid stock, and I'm very happy to hold it. So I think this one's going to be similar. The IPO range will be 14 to 16 US dollars, the price, right? 14 to 16 bucks. And it is going public on May 23rd, 2024. They're going to offer 6.6 million shares. And the financials are also good too. Now, Bowhead Specialty Holdings Corporation, guys, has filed for a $100 million IPO. The company provides specialty property and casualty insurance coverage in the United States and has a strategic relationship with American Family Insurance. Total revenue of the company, guys, in 2022, $187 million, and in 2023, $283. I mean, they just jumped up 51%, which is just amazing. Comprehensive income loss goes from 4 to 30 million. Cash flow from operations from 181 to 236 million. And they have $120 million in cash. They have 836 million in total liabilities, and their free cash flow is positive 232 million, which is very, very good. I give it a 4 out of 5, guys. I am very bullish on this IPO, not as a day one pop, but overall a good long-term stock. I think the company is doing well so far, and if management continues to do the way they do, this is going to be a really, really good long-term hold. Just my opinion. So let me know in the comment section below what you think about HGAS. Could that be in the future a short squeeze stock? Let me know about this IPO, and if you want to join my Discord, the link will be in the comment section below. Have a great day, everyone, and take care.